Ah, here's the wagon. Oh, what do we got? This box is definitely not booby-trapped.
That was my dad's shot, dude.
Load up the wagon, let's go! Load up the wagon!
Oh!
Look out!
Okay, forward. Independent fire. And stop. Turn out a little bit. That's okay. Okay, come on. Let's go, lads, let's go. Got a flash in the fan, nail him. Get away! Get away! On the march, let's go! Fire at will on the march! Alright, rush it! Rush it! Rush it!
Ah, here's the wagon. Oh, what do we got? This box is definitely not booby-trapped.
That was my dad's shot, dude.
Load up the wagon! Let's go! Load up the wagon!
Oh!
Look out! Too close! Too close!
They got a cannon, sir!
Let's go!
They got a cannon!
Fall back!
They got a cannon!
We're too close!
Drop what you got! Load! Load! Load!
Can we fire back?
Independent fire! Muzzle, muzzle, muzzle. Get a line, go a line. Let's go, by a line. Line the trees. Right here, right here. Right here, fire, fire, fire. I want you to be loaded. I want you to rise. Come back 15 paces.
They're pushing up on us. These light infantry are such small targets.
Here, through here.
Let's go!
Here, line. Give me a nice line. Go down to your right a little, left a little bit. To the left, move the line to the left. Here you go. Kneel, kneel, fire, fire.
Get the guy with the cape on! Hey, target Will!
Targeting Will.
Fire and get prepared to go back. Let's go, up, right. Let's go, come on, back. Load on the march, let's go. Hunter, let's go. Kneel. Fire. Let's go. Rapid fire. Hold your ground. retreat. The line is now there. We'll give them a volley. We will give them one volley. Load.
Up to the shoulder when you're loaded.
Make ready. Elevate, elevate. Take aim. Fire. Retreat, retreat. Go back. Come up right here. We're going to march out. Shoulder arms. Stop it, Mike. All right, let's go. Come on.